So this is the family's, now mine, 67. And our most recent issue among many is the high pressure power steering line exploded all over the place. So we're gonna take that off. That's down there, pre-lubed. And this right here where the air intake goes is a perfect place to store your WD, which you're going to need along the way. So for future reference, this little nut here, that is a 5/8. There it is. That's a 5/8. The other big fella where it connects, that is a 15/16. So we're gonna start here, get those disconnected. I loosened them. They were pretty damn tight. We'll be back. We got that one off. I'm gonna tackle this mess down here. I expect that to be a grand pain in the ass. So we'll see what happens. You might be thinking to yourself, what is the best way to get that out? Because that's exactly what I'm thinking. It's down there. Remove the whole master cylinder, you might think. Sure, that'd be great. Am I gonna do that though? No, sir. I'll let you know what I come up with. I'm sure there's a tool for this. I don't have it. I sprayed it again for now. I'm just gonna let it sit, and I'm gonna think this one through. Maybe we'll come back to this. Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be fun, of course. I was able to get a box wrench in there. 1/2 inch. It's loosening. So, I don't know, we'll see. I should be able to get it out. You gotta be a little flexible, but it's working so far. Well, so I got this factory pressure line off. I don't mind telling you, that was a pain. So the flare nut was all rusted, so I could only get it a quarter turn at a time. That took a small eternity. This new one's different. I mean, it fits on there. All the specs seem about right. Got this little space back in the near the firewall I kind of crammed it into. Seems to be okay. And there's the new connection. So it's in. I haven't tested it yet. I'm sure I'm low on fluid, so I'll probably have to fill that up before I screw with this, but it is in. And if anybody thinks this isn't okay, I mean, I don't know. It seems to be working. You know, it's kind of looped up in there. It's a little longer than the factory one, but AutoZone said it was the right fit. Anyway, it's in there. Oh, and this was fun. So this thing doesn't want to focus. The factory threads on the new flare nut, it's just for 30 minutes I'm trying to screw it in there and it would not connect. It just refused. So I take a thread restorer, I put it on there, crank it down, and what do you know? Flies right on, no problem. So the factory threads on that piece were garbage. I straightened them out. It's okay now. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Good luck, everyone.